This video will show you how to download and access EWU Virtual Labs. Begin by typing support.ewu.edu/support/solutions//1000014 into your address bar. Click Windows Download if you are using Windows, or Mac Download if you are using a Mac. I am using Windows, so I'm going to click Windows Download. On this page, simply click the blue button that says Download. Your browser will begin to download Virtual Labs. Once your download is complete, click on VMware Horizon.exe in the bottom left-hand corner. Click Yes on the prompt that appears. Once the VMware installer appears, click Agree and Install. When the download is finished, click Finish. Finally, click Restart Now to restart your computer to finish setup. After restarting, type VMware Horizon Client into the taskbar and click the app to open it. Once the client opens, click Add Server. Type virtuallabs.ewu.edu into the prompt and hit Enter. Then, enter your EWU net ID and password. Select either Virtual Labs or Adobe Virtual Labs to begin.